Resilience Unleashed: 7 Empowering Affirmations for Gun Violence Survivors. Discover the strength within. If you're a survivor of gun violence or know someone who is, this video is a legendary beacon of hope and healing. Join us on a journey of empowerment as we share 7 affirmations meticulously crafted for survivors. These affirmations are more than words. They're powerful tools to nurture your spirit, rebuild your life, and embrace a future filled with positivity and purpose. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly out of your mouth. Use this time to relax your mind. Affirmation 1. Yes, I'm a survivor of strength. I am the embodiment of resilience, forging a path forward with unwavering courage. Within me lies an unbreakable spirit, a survivor of strength that rises above adversity. Affirmation 2. I'm healing. Inside and out I'm whole. Healing begins from within, and I embrace the journey of restoring my spirit and body. With each passing day, my inner and outer wounds are mending, and I am becoming whole again. Affirmation 3. I'm not defined by trauma. My past may hold scars, but they do not define me. I'm defined by my resilience and inner strength. I rise above the shadows of trauma, emerging as a survivor with an unwritten, beautiful future. Affirmation 4. I'm reclaiming my peace. Period. I deserve to feel safe and secure, and I'm taking steps to create that reality without removing this right from others. I reclaim my peace, casting aside the weight of fear and embracing serenity within. Peace is my birthright, and I nurture it within my soul, for it is my sanctuary. Period. Affirmation 5. I'm building a brighter future. Each step I take builds the foundation of a brighter future filled with hope and possibility. In the pages of my future, I'm the author of a story where dreams turn into reality. Affirmation 6. I'm finding strength in community. In unity, we discover strength beyond measure, supporting each other on our healing journeys together. We rise above adversity, our community a source of resilience and inspiration. Affirmation 7. I'm a beacon of change. I'm a beacon of change, lighting the way for a future where healing and hope prevail. With every step I take, I radiate a message of transformation, empowering others to join the journey toward positive change. If you're a gun violence survivor, use these affirmations daily and witness the transformative power they hold. Remember, healing is possible, and you're not alone on this journey. Together, we can create a world free from gun violence and provide support to those who need it. Like, share and subscribe for more legendary kind empowering content tailored specifically for the legendary kindness within you. Stay connected with our community of survivors, share your stories, and find strength in unity. Be brave, be kind, be legendary.